Oh yeah, he's got the handcuffs on. From my building. Yeah, the cops were pretty nice. He said, listen, I don't fucking want to arrest you. All you have to do is fucking leave. You know, and he used the F-bombs too. So I'm pretty well quoting him. I might have thrown in an extra one. And the guy was too brain damaged to go, oh yeah, I'll take you up on that. I'm getting the fuck out of here. You know, there's a homeless shelter for druggies down the block. Sure, it's dangerous, you know? But the whole neighborhood's dangerous with druggies. Now, not all druggies are bad. I've met druggies that I like down here, you know, so I could never be one of those people saying they're all bad. But I do feel bad. I feel bad that, you know, that they fell for the World Economic Forum fucking shit, you know? And if there's ever a credit score, what's going to happen to these people? They're all being set up. Anyway, this guy was an asshole. I listened to him. He was a fucking asshole. He had a great chance to get the fuck out. But he decided, hey, maybe I'll take that free customer transportation van ride that you offered me instead.